Everyone, I'm Claire McInerney with Evernote, and today we're talking about how college students can use Evernote to stay organized for their specific routines and lives. And I'm talking with Aria, who is a intern at Evernote, and she's going to share a little bit about how she uses the software. So Aria, will you introduce yourself to us and tell us where you go to school, what you're studying, and what you're doing at Evernote this summer?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Aria, and I am currently a graduate student at UC Berkeley Graduate School of Journalism. So I'm now a research intern at Evernote. I'm doing a lot of research for their upcoming projects. So basically, so far it has been a really wonderful experience. And for my 4-year college and until now, I've been using Evernote to manage my life and more importantly, my school and all the journalism articles that I've been reading. I would just use Evernote to document everything. Yeah, it's been really useful for me.
And so will you tell me a little bit about how you decided Evernote was the best tool for you? Because there's a lot of software and platforms out there, that can kind of help us with productivity. How did you land on Evernote?
Yeah, so actually, I've been just very interested in all the productivity apps. I try a lot of apps, but when I feel like I try the other apps, and then I feel like I put so much effort and invest so much time to design all the layouts and everything. I feel
Mhm.
like I spend so much time to do that. That decreased my productivity. So, however, when I, switch to Evernote, I feel like, you know, I don't have to, spend so much time on all the layout and stuff. And it's got really powerful, web clippers. So as I told you, I'm a journalism major, so I have to read a lot of articles. So the web
Yeah.
clipper has been really powerful for me. So I can just, copy and paste all the articles that I've been reading into my Evernote. So that's very useful.
Yeah. Will you open your Evernote and show us how you organize um, the articles? Because my background is in journalism as well. And that's also one of my favorite features of Evernote is I see something pop up on Twitter that relates to a project I'm working on, and then rather than like having some Google Doc of links, I can actually pull out the parts I like, and that's one of my favorite features is the web clipper. So show us how you use it.
So this is like the layout. It's not that fancy, but yeah, I mean, well, it's just easy and intuitive. And so here is my task, and here is my calendar, and I've been using all those widgets. And
Mhm.
so I will show you how I organize all my notebook. So there are like 14 notebook. Uh,
Mhm.
I just break it down to like different stacks. For example, this stacks, I use it to just document, like, gather all the things that I've been reading. So there are like a general like
Mhm.
journalism like articles I've been reading. So I would just, using the web clipper and to collect all of them.
And then when you're in the semester of
Mhm.
school, how do you use Evernote when you're in multiple classes?
Yeah, sure. I will show you. So for example, so last semester, I took a very interesting class called data feminism. So it's like this class. So all I will do is to, just add all the syllabus and all the
Mhm.
files to my notes. And it's really easy to read here. You can just flip through here. And
Mhm.
yeah, it's been really handy. And also, I would just add notes to, this note. You can
Mhm.
have a look at my note here.
And then do you use Evernote for any personal life organization?
Yeah, sure. So here you can see the self means like some kind of life related
Mhm.
content. For example, so this one is like some of the goals that I have.
Yeah.
This one, like, so June, I wanted to read two books. I took some online classes. There are some money that I needed to save for,
Mhm.
anything that on my wish list. And also there are some kind of workout I've been doing. So it's I like this template. I can, just change the color here. Yeah, I'm all about like changing the color, and I love to make this layout like really pretty. So that will motivate me to, use it more and more.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.